Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be having the bedroom transformation. This video I've made literally in the last 48 hours, so hope you guys enjoy watching and let's head to Ikea. Today we are going to be going to Ikea. I've kind of been wanting to buy some furniture for my room for a while. It is officially payday weekend, so I have just been paid from my job. I wanted to get some new furniture that I've been having a look at now for a while. I wanted to vlog because I always vlog anything to do with my bedroom, and I did say in my last bedroom transformation video that I will probably be doing a part 2 just because a lot of things in my room are kind of unfinished. This is actually the piece of furniture I'm thinking about getting. It is this really nice block of 6 Alex kind of drawers looking things, and I've got a slot at the end of my bed where I think it's going to fit perfectly. So as you guys can see, at the end of my bed I've got like this part here, and actually this drawer itself fits perfectly there already, and this is 41 centimeters wide, and the thing I'm going to buy is 31. And then above here my wall is still really plain, and I eventually want to get a TV to put up here. On top I can now display loads of things and just make it really pretty. I'm also going to see if I can find any picture frames because I've got a few things that I want to frame. For the most part I've got a few things in mind. I really want to go look in the bargain corner, see if I can find anything cute or anything fitting. Brown halter neck kind of style top with these black trousers, and also my silver earrings. For perfume I'm gonna wear this one. It is literally my signature fragrance. I love it to bits. For my hair, I got this one for my birthday but I'm obsessed. It's the Gizu honey perfume, just a little bit in my hair. I'm all ready to go, so let's go to Ikea. I'm so excited, can't wait to see what we're gonna find. We are now at Ikea and I found the Kallax drawer thing I'm gonna buy. I was gonna go for 6, but I've actually figured out that 8 is probably more suitable for what I want, and it's gonna be more storage. So this is basically what it looks like, but I'm obviously gonna have it sideways. It is basically just this one, and I think it's gonna be really cute. It's perfect, it's big enough, so I'm very happy with that one. And then I also found these trolleys here as well, so I think I'm gonna get a little one of these to put at the end of my bed or something. Apparently they do smaller ones, so I'm gonna have a little look for the trolleys. Nobody understands how addicted I am to their candles. I'm now back at home, and as you guys can see, my room behind me looks a little bit crazy. I just had to move some stuff so that when it's built I'll be able to put it away smoothly and not damage anything. As you guys saw, I've got the Kallax 8 block, and then I also got a little rolling cart thing. I've always wanted one for my room, and I think it's definitely going to make such a difference, make my room really tidy and organized. My room has lots of personality to it, but as I'm getting older now and craving more of the clean aesthetic where it's all white, warm, that's what I want my room to give and feel when I'm in here. I spend a lot of time in my room. If I don't, it's probably been a long day and I want somewhere where I can just relax and feel immediately at ease. Also, something about my room is that it's actually quite small. Like, I think on camera it looks quite big, but actually it's really small. It feels more cozy. Firstly, I'm gonna build my Kallaxes, and then I'm gonna build the little trolley later, just because I think it's probably gonna be the easier thing to do. I'm gonna do like a little time lapse you guys are gonna see, and I am so excited for the clean results. next day to when I was building at Ikea, doing the main transformation for this video. Let me just say how happy I am with it. I think it's so gorgeous. This comes together so well. This is everything I've been picturing and more. And I know I did a room tour in my last bedroom transformation video, but a lot has changed decor wise, furniture wise, the layout of my room. So I really want to do another in-depth room tour. Obsessed with everything in here. Starting off with my vanity, I actually bought this when it was on discount. I think it was around February time. I actually bought my dresser. All my furniture in this video is all from Ikea, but I just love this dressing table. I've had my eye on it for literally years. So starting off on top, I've definitely gone for more of a minimal look now. As you guys can see, I've got my perfume tray. This little plate here I actually thrifted. 2 makeup bags here. This one is from CB when I was in Italy, and this one is from Brandy Melville, and this is just my little jelly cat bunny. Then I have my makeup brushes and my salt lamp, and in here I just keep face masks and eye gels. I don't currently have anything in there. I know she's a little bit basic, but she's clean, she's aesthetic. Honestly, I just want to be able to keep my dresser tidy so when I get ready, it's just everything I need there. Beside my dresser, I actually have the new cart that we built. Overall, I'd say it's probably pretty easy to build. I paid £35 for it. If you spend £70 or more, you get £10 off. So I basically bought this at the price of the small one. On top here, I just have like a pot full of hair ties. Again, this little jar here I actually thrifted. I got it from TK Maxx. A little jar full of pens for journaling, a few books, and my card reader. Down in the second one, I've got a bit of random things. I've got 2 candles at the back, my Polaroid camera, a mug camera thingy, another Lauderé box, my bag, and some body lotion. It's pretty random, but it's just I needed something for that. At the bottom I just got my journals and a blanket, but it's just a way for me to organize everything and for it just to look tidy and clean, so I'm very happy with this. Here I've actually got this fan. I kind of have nowhere to put it, so I just put it here instead of it being at the end of my bed. In the summer it's literally a lifesaver, but I just pop my fan there, and then here I have my bed. The blanket, the bedding, all the pillows are from Asda Home, which is kind of crazy, and this one at the back is from TK Maxx, and this one's from Primark, and then I have my little jelly cat. My curtains have been added since my last video. I will leave on the screen where they're from, and then my string lights across here are from Amazon. Now moving to the end of my bed, I have the brand new Kallax cubes. It fits perfectly. I'm obsessed. I'm still working on what I'm going to put in there, but the idea is that it's just more available storage. As you guys can see at the bottom, I've got jumpers, more on the bottom 2 bags, and then I've put a candle and 2 of my bunnies in there. On top I've put my Dyson, some more stuffed animals, a photo of me and my boyfriend. Over here I also have some designer books. I've got Dior, Chanel, and a new candle that my dad got me. And then also I just have a lip mask here. Also have a plant here, which is actually from Ikea. And then across from here I have my dresser with all my clothes in here. I think I love this the most just because of how tidy it is now and how just organized it is. Got my hot mirror here from Amazon, Primark Home, and then all these trays here are all actually like from different places. A lot of them are actually thrifted. Firstly, this plate is absolutely gorgeous. I got it at a charity shop and I just got all my jewelry in there. This one is from Zara Home, Tiger, and this one's from like Olivia something, and then I just put a new Pandora box underneath. These 2 boxes are actually macaroon boxes from Lauderé that I've collected over time, but I just think they're so cute and they go really well here. And then I've got all my body mists and all my perfumes here. As you guys can tell, they're very pink, very sweet scents. I love a good coconut. This one has to be one of my favorites as well. That is my finished bedroom room tour transformation. I feel like my room is pretty done now for a while. The last step would probably be like prints on my wall and stuff, but for now I think I'm actually really in love with the blank canvas feel of my room. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching and seeing this transformation and vision come to life. I love this video and I've had so much fun filming it. I can't wait to create pretty content in my room, just filming here. I will make sure to have all my furniture linked down below as it's all from Ikea. I love you guys so much and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!